You want to use a screwdriver, because if you use a drill it's going to twist it too fast. It's not going to have a chance to hold. Okay, now what I want to do is get a concrete block and hang from it. Let's just see if it'll hold it. Concrete block is about 30 pounds. One concrete block. Nope, these will not hold 30 pounds. Now that we messed it up, we're going to go to the next size. Now you have two kinds. You have the kind with the little wings on it. They're a little harder to get in, but they seem to hold a little better. And then you still have these plastic ones like the one you just pulled out. So we'll go with this one first. And since the hole should be already big enough, alright, let's see what it'll hold. Oh boy. Well, that's 30 pounds, but let's say that one messes up.